Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on your name down here. So then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then here you click on app settings, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to remove location from media, clicking this sign. Like you see this color here show for us, that's mean remove location from media enable with us now. So that's all you have to do, that's all. I wish know you I gave it. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.